Hello, today we'll talk about the phase changes in ice. This is Olaf. He thinks summer is the best thing in the world. Olaf is now getting ready for summer, just making sure solid molecules are very dense, tightly packed. They can only move back and forth and side to side. He's on his way to the fields, just hanging out and having picnics. After a few minutes in summer, he starts melting. That's because he's solid snow, and when snow is in heat, it is near high energy, so it melts. It turns into a liquid, water. Now Olaf is completely melted into water. Olaf now just waits there for hours and hours. So now that he is a liquid, the molecules have changed. They are more farther apart and can move more freely. This is another phase change. Finally, Olaf evaporates into gas. The gas that he evaporates into is steam. Gas molecules have a lot of space from each other. They can move wherever they want. This is another phase change. Then one day, it is cold outside. When it is cold outside and gas is in the air, there's something called condensation. It is when the gas in the air turns into water again. This is another phase change. And now the molecules from a gas to a liquid have changed. The liquid molecules are a bit more spacious than the solid, but less spacious than the gas. Finally, Olaf's liquid form freezes again, and Olaf's liquid form turns into Olaf's solid form. This is another phase change. And now the molecules have formed back to solid molecules, very dense and tightly packed. So just to reflect on what we've done, we have started off with a solid Olaf. Then solid Olaf melts and turns into liquid Olaf. Finally, liquid Olaf vaporizes into steam, gas. Then the condensation from the gas turns Olaf into a liquid. This is another phase change. Finally, Olaf liquid form freezes and turns into a solid. Next, we have to reflect on the molecules. In a solid, the molecules can only move up and down and side to side. That means the object has to stay in one position. It cannot move. Next, liquids. The molecules in liquids are a bit more separate than solids. They can move around more freely, and they can also fit into their surroundings without any trouble. In a gas, the molecules have a lot of space and can move wherever they want. That means gas can go wherever it wants, whenever it wants. Finally, I would like to thank Miss Galati, Miss Malte, and my fellow students for helping me throughout the year. I hope you can still help me, and I will learn a lot more about science. Thank you. And these are my sources. The end.